When is the best time of year to get a new roof? Many homeowners wonder, when is the best time of year to get a new roof? The answer, unsurprisingly, is that it depends on your specific situation. That's right. There's no hard and fast rule about the best time to get a new roof. For example, if your roof is leaking or has significant damage, you'll want to get it replaced as soon as possible. Waiting could result in further damage to your home, and that's something you definitely want to avoid. On the other hand, if your roof is in good condition, but you're simply looking to upgrade to a new style or material, you may be able to wait until spring or fall. These are typically the two most popular times for roofing projects, as the weather is milder and contractors are generally less busy. No matter what season it is, getting a new roof can be a big undertaking. With the proper preparation and contractor, you'll have one installed in no time. Contact us today to get started on your new roof or get a free quote. BetterBuiltLI.com or call 225-369-1119.